6 financial mistakes you're probably making and how to fix them. Managing your finances can be tricky, and many of us unknowingly fall into habits that hold us back. Here are 6 common financial mistakes you might be making, and, more importantly, how to fix them. 1. Not paying yourself first. One of the biggest mistakes people make is saving whatever's left over after spending, which often leads to saving nothing at all. The fix? Pay yourself first by setting aside a portion of your income, ideally 10 to 20%, as soon as you're paid. Automate this process by setting up recurring transfers to a savings or investment account. Prioritizing yourself helps you build wealth and financial security over time. 2. Not having a budget. Flying blind without a budget is another common mistake. Without a clear picture of your income and expenses, it's easy to overspend or lose track of your financial goals. Create a simple budget using tools like apps or spreadsheets. Break your spending into categories: essentials, discretionary, and savings, and ensure every shilling and dollar has a purpose. 3. Ignoring emergency savings. Unexpected expenses like a car repair or medical bill can derail your finances if you're not prepared. That's why having an emergency fund is crucial. Aim to save 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. Start small, even $10 or 10,000 shillings a week, and build it up over time. Keep this fund separate from your regular account to avoid dipping into it unnecessarily. 4. Using credit cards. Do you have one? Relying too heavily on credit cards can lead to high interest debt that's difficult to pay off. If you're only making minimum payments, you're paying more in interest than necessary. To fix this, use credit cards responsibly by charging only what you can pay off in full each month. Focus on paying down high interest debt first, and consider switching to a card with lower rates or better rewards. 5. Neglecting retirement savings. Many people delay retirement savings because they think they have time, but waiting costs you. Compound interest works best the earlier you start. If your employer offers a plan with matching contributions, take advantage of it. It's essentially free money. No workplace plan? Open a plan and set up automatic contributions to make saving effortless. 6. Failing to set financial goals. Without clear financial goals, it's easy to spend impulsively or drift without direction. Define what you want, whether it's buying a home, traveling, or retiring early. Break those goals into actionable steps, like saving a certain amount each month or investing regularly. Having a plan keeps you motivated and gives your spending a purpose. Avoiding these 6 mistakes and implementing these fixes can help you take control of your money, reduce stress, and create a more secure financial future. Remember, building wealth isn't about being perfect, it's about making intentional, consistent choices that add up over time.